Hello and thanks for joining us once again on the 3-day weather forecast. In the last 24 hours, we've seen dust raised from the source region in Chad and in Niger, and this dust has transported the dust into the atmosphere over Nigeria, causing a deterioration of horizontal visibility across most of the north and central parts of the country. A fresh dust plume indicated on this satellite imagery is expected to transport dust further into the country by the next 24 hours and cause a further deterioration of horizontal visibility. And so for the rest of Thursday, we expect most of the north and central parts of the country to be sunny in dust haze, with visibility likely to be kept between values of 800 to 1,500 meters over the northeastern parts of the country and visibility of 2,000 to 5,000 meters over the northwestern and central parts of the country. The southern parts of the country are expected to be partly cloudy. Temperatures are expected to be highest over Yelwa in the north, and Jalingo is expected to be 36, while Yola is expected to be 37. Maiduguri is also expected to be 37 degrees Celsius, while the lowest temperature is expected over Jos at 31 degrees Celsius. Over the southern parts of the country, we expect to see temperatures in the range of 33 degrees Celsius over Ikeja in Lagos State to about 36 degrees Celsius in Benin and Warri area of Edo and Delta states. For our air quality forecast, because of the presence of thick dust in the atmosphere, we expect places that appear in purple and red to be generally unhealthy for all categories of persons, while sensitive group of persons are likely to be affected by the dust in places that appear in orange. For the next day, which is Friday, we still expect dust to cause a deterioration of horizontal visibility over most of the north and central Nigeria. The southern parts of the country are, however, expected to be partly cloudy, with possibilities of light rains possibly around the southwestern coast of Lagos State. We expect temperatures to reach 38 degrees Celsius in Yola and 37 over Jalingo areas. Kaduna is expected to be 35, Jos is expected to be 31, and the FCT Abuja is expected to be 34 degrees Celsius. The southern parts of the country are expected to record temperatures of 33 degrees Celsius over Port Harcourt, 35 over Benin and Warri, and 33 degrees Celsius over Ikeja areas in Lagos State. For our air quality forecast on this day, we still expect dust to constitute unhealthy situations to persons over most of the north and central Nigeria in purple and in red color, while places that appear in orange are expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy for only sensitive group of persons. Moderate air quality index is expected in places that appear in yellow. And by Saturday, we expect most of the country from the north down to the central parts of the country to be in dust haze with intervals of sunshine. Temperatures are expected to reach 37 and 38 degrees Celsius over Jalingo and Yola areas, while Yelwa is expected to be 35 degrees Celsius. Sokoto is expected to be 37, and over the southern parts of the country, we still expect partly cloudy conditions to prevail, with temperatures likely to range between 34 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Warri, however, is expected to be 33 degrees Celsius. And for air quality, the quality of air is still expected to be very poor on Saturday, with places that appear in purple and red expected to be generally unhealthy for all categories of persons, particularly places around Kaduna, Niger State, and also parts of Kwara expected to have air quality that is considered very unhealthy for all categories of persons because of the presence of dust haze in circulation in the atmosphere. This is where we conclude our 3 days weather forecast. Thanks for watching, and do keep a date with us again.